Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Weeds and Witches Oracle, illustrated by Fabiana Belmonte and written by Cecilia Lattari. 50 cards in a guidebook, published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much for sending this my way. Retailing for $23.95 in the US. I will legitimately link where you can purchase this down in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. Let this enchanting oracle deck remind you of your wild nature, rooted in the earth and vast as the sky. Ethereal collage-style art, rich in symbolism, invites you to converse with your imagination as you travel memories, dreams, and mystical experiences along your path of personal growth and healing. Discover the helpful magic of wise witches, who will be your guides along with their plant companions. Each card in this 50-card deck brings you a special message to inspire and empower you. The full-color illustrated 64-page guidebook helps you connect more deeply with the wisdom of the witches and the weeds. All right, I am excited. This looks beautiful. There's that side of the deck, bottom of the deck, or excuse me, packaging. And there's the cards. I've already unwrapped them, so I don't have to worry about that with this video. We have full table of contents, introduction, and then it goes into how to use the deck, and then each card page. Okay, beautiful. A map between worlds. As you will discover when flipping through the oracle cards along with the image, you will find a poetic phrase, the intent of which is to shift you slightly from the place you're in to take you to a more intangible dimension, as ephemeral as the dust suspended in the light. This unexplored territory is inhabited by guiding witches. You will meet the Witch of the Crossroads, the Country Witch, Sylvan Witch, Shaman Witch, and the Urban Witch, and the Siren Witch. Each of them belongs to a part of the map, whether internal or external. You can look at this deck like a path through memories, dreams, and magical experiences. This is a route that will have you cross lands that are distant and close, unexplored and familiar. Together with the witches, the plants will be your travel companions, in particular the weeds, those that are rebellious, resistant, and unexpected, just as life can surprise you every day. Let the phrases that you encounter inspire you, just like the images will, together with the text that you will find in this guidebook. Listen to what resonates. Follow the tracks in the woods. Sometimes it only takes something small to start the journey. All right. You can use this however you see fit. Every card can be the idea for a story, or to remember dreams and question the dreamlike state. Nice. All right. And then it goes into the card meanings, and then about the author and illustrator. All right, let's get into the cards, and we'll come back to the guidebook. Okay, here's the back of the cards. Very nice. US Game Systems cardstock, very flexible but sturdy. It's snapping back nice. And I like the thickness. It's not super thick and it's not super thin. It's a nice sweet spot of in between. Okay, here we go. I'm going to read the bottom just in case it's not very clear on screen. So it has a number and listen to the wind. Ebb and flow. Between worlds. It does seem very dreamlike and ephemeral. Tiny wonders. Protection everywhere. Luminous flame. A garden inside. A star in the night. Oh, I love that wallpaper. Be the honey. Stunning. At the crossroads. We love a crone and a fox. Red is for desire. Path of Moonlight. Late Bloomer. Scars Become Stories. So pretty. Protect Your Essence. Hanging On to a Dream. Love the wings. Fairy Dust. Oh. Everyday Magic. Stay in the Wonder. Look at that. Love. Forget the Map. The Heart Knows. Quiet Tenderness. Stories Will Take You Far. Love that. Sister Witches. Oh. Embrace the Mystery. Just Believe. Kindred Soul. Walk with Grace. The Pearl Veil. Return to the Woods. Heart of the Wolf. Declare Boundaries. Wild Lands. Memories Song. Oh. Interesting. Gold in the Storm. On the Threshold. Ooh. If the Dream Had a Name. Sacred Pause. Ancestral Memories. There's so much to look at in each card. Shine Your Light. And that was not a negative. It's just like little things are catching my eye. Stitching the Stories. Oh my goodness. Find Your Voice. Love that. Light in the Darkness. Second Sight. Tiny Messengers. Precision. Trust What You Sense. One with Nature. Beauty in the Unknown. And remember that you are wild. All right. Beautifully done. Haunting is a good word. Very ethereal. Shuffles just fine. Yeah. All right, overhand. Nice overhand. And can I get a card to read, please? Oh. Trust What You Sense. Trust what you sense, you. Two figures face each other, identical and mysterious. They both wear gold masks like someone safeguarding ancient secrets. The yew, plant of the boundary that overlooks the landscape, accompanies them with its blood-red berries, symbols of what is not said, but what you can feel. It is the fire of the wise women, of those that can see without being seen, who read the flames as though they were maps. This card invites you to trust what you sense, even before knowing. Yeah, it does give you the name of the witch or the plant. That is really cool. It's definitely a different type of deck. It's reminding me of these two Oracle decks, the Oracle Mystical Moments and the Botanical Dreams Oracle. The artwork is both by Katrin Welsh-Stein, but it's different in its own way. I love a very surreal deck because then you can kind of read it however your intention really calls upon, for dreams, for, you know, kind of mysterious moments. I love a surreal deck. I love a deck that you can kind of just escape into each artwork like a little portal. I love that you can kind of use this however you see fit, and I love the theme. I think if you're a fan of those other Oracle decks, but you want a more witchy twist to it, this is definitely a deck for you. Very fun, very different. I'm excited to get to know it on more of a deeper level, a personal level. And now I would love to know what you guys think. In the comments, drop a weed emoji to let me know you made it this far in the video and tell me what your thoughts are. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am very excited. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.